Or well, welcome. This is probably going to be the first video I'm going to upload. So I just want to show you how you can flip potions. So this is what I do. So I bought these of prayer potions of that price. So how I did it is I bought and sold this and see the highest and lowest price. Bought and sold the 4-dose, see the highest and lowest price. So what I do is, sorry for the divine being in the way, but anyway, prayer potion. So I sold it at this. That means that's what they're buying at. So they as in whoever it is. So basically, I bought it for this and sold it for that. So I want to buy it for this. Basically, I bought it at 6585 just because I'm still going to profit. So how you know you're going to profit is a common denominator. So it's really basic math. So this is a 3-dose, this is a 4-dose. You need to find a common denominator in order to do the math. So a common denominator is 12 because 3, 6, 9, 12 and 4, 8, 12. That's the same denominator. So how many times did you get 3 to 12? So 3, 6, 9, 12, that's 4, right? And then for a 4-dose, it's 3, which is a little bit confusing because it's 3-dose and 4-dose, but you get the point. So common denominator is 12, so I'm going to buy this. Or first, I'm going to do the math. So let's say this. I'm going to do 6585. I should upload a calculator, actually. I don't like doing it here. I like doing it by hand, personally. But I'll do this for the video. So what was it? 6585 times 4, because the common denominator of the 3-dose is that, times 4, equals that price. Now write that down somewhere, okay? So I'm going to write it down in my calculator here. Or maybe I can do this here on a fancier calculator. 26340. So there. And now I'm gonna, this is gonna be backwards. It's gonna show a negative number, but I'm gonna just do this for the video and it doesn't stay on 1. Anyways. So what am I gonna sell it for? I'm gonna sell it for 889 probably. So 11 GP lower. So I'm gonna put in on my calculator 8889 GP lower, multiply by the common denominator of this, however many times, 4, 8, 12, so that's 3 times 3, and end the bracket. There we go. Okay, I don't understand why the bracket didn't work on this, but it should work. Anyway, it didn't, so the point is, since I wrote down the other number, okay, well there it is. This calculator is a little bit weird, but here's the other number. Ignore the negative sign because I subtracted a lower number from a bigger number, or vice versa. So 327 positive. So that's how much I'm going to make per potion. And it varies because when you buy it, the Grand Exchange automatically, like, as far as I'm aware, changes it. So a little side note, this is a little flip I just noticed. You buy it for 2 GP, which is less than steel darts, and you sell it for 4. Like, that's 12K. In a few days, it'll be a lot. So anyways, yeah. So I'll take these out. And the math won't be perfect. I can never understand why. My only theory is because the Grand Exchange buys it at different intervals, prices, whatever. So that's 13,156. So let's decant. Simple. Let's do that. 4-dose. I have buttons on my mouse. So let's sell it. -2 because I want my other 2. Anyways, oh, what did I say I was selling it for? 8889, I think. 8889. So I'm going to sell it for that, and it should go through like right away. The 13,315. So what did I buy it for? 13. Yeah. See, like the math was completely wrong for some reason, but it does that, and either way, you're going to profit. So technically, if the difference is 300, I should make 600K. If anyone knows, please let me know. The difference was basically 300 GP, okay? Multiply that by 2,000. That equals 600,000 GP profit, right? And for example, this one, it's, let's say, 156 minus, I think it was 315. So $159. My name, 159. 159 GP, sorry. So I'm going to make 159 GP, K, cash from this. And for some reason, not 600K, I don't know why, but maybe one of you can help me with it. So as you can see, like it's really coming in. It goes pretty quick. Like it's a common item prayer potion. Like you can do any single item. Like it's easy to find. And you will know if you're profiting because when you do the math, always start with the 4. I did it backwards because I know how to do it. Always start with this, okay? Write down that number. Then when you go to subtract, subtract this number from the 3's. So like say if this added up to 1500, okay, and this one was 1200, subtract the 1500 minus 1200. So you get 300 profit. Because if you do 1200 minus 15, you're going to think you got negative if you're bad at math or like less experience, when you actually never. You just minused it backwards. So that's what I did, but I just don't want you to get confused by doing that. And as you can see, it's really coming in. So that's 13,355. Anyways, it's really quick, and it's my first video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I want to learn how to edit, so I'll make a thumbnail. Maybe one of these days that'll come. And there we go. I'll show you how to do that. So anyways, I'm going to do Abyssal Demons now. I have a good few to kill. Hopefully get a whip, and I'll show you a guide on that too if I like. Alrighty. Please just leave a like, and honestly I really want to comment more than anything. Hopefully positive. I mean, negative, why are you going to give a negative comment? Anyways, just yeah, have a great day, and see you in the next one.